Hello there! In this video we're going to warm up the voice with some fifth scales using the sounds mi, ma. I'll sing it a few times first so you know what to do, and then it's your turn. So let's warm up that voice! Woohoo! Alright, it's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma, and so forth. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. All right, now that you know what to do, give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was it. I hope that went well. And remember, just keep practicing. If you do this every day or every other day, your voice and your musical ear will improve. So, I wish you had fun and see you around. Goodbye.